Hello guys, my name is Aiden and I am here to teach you on how to make a hypothetical path for your weather series. And today we're starting off with tornadoes. Now, the first way you can do this is by just drawing a path like this. Be sure to pick your color of the EF scale if you want. I would recommend 5 if you want yours to be a little bit more visible. And you can see it looks like Lubbock got hit again. The video is on the top right corner if you're on a laptop. And now here's the second way. The second way you can do this is through polygons. Now, if you want a slightly transparent one like this, but still kind of visible, this is how you can see buildings better if you want to do more details. And the other way you can do this is by doing a composite layer. So you can do it that transparent way, but I'm gonna, for easier reasons for you to see, as this one isn't as visible, we're going to start off with E of 0. This will essentially be our wind field. Alright, wind field, pretty big. Okay, now we're going to switch it up. We're going to change it to EF1. Now be sure to stack them by going lowest to highest first, or it's gonna really mess up your path and it won't be great looking at all, especially if it's very narrow. And alright, this is what it should look like. And let me go ahead and cut to a part. Alright, I'm finished with my EF3 path. You don't have to make it exactly like mine. You can do it slightly transparent and do the composite layer like this. And if you do small mistakes like this, like little cuts, that can actually help you a little bit. That can actually kind of be sort of like satellite imagery and have more detail to the path. And yeah, that's how you do paths. You can do just regular line, a polygon, not as detailed, transparent, slightly transparent or not transparent, or you can do the more detailed ones like the composite layer, kind of like Tornado Archive. I'll put a link to that website down below, along with Google Earth Pro, which I use to make the paths, and I'll also link that in the description below for you to download. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.